You're listening to the Ask Drone U podcast. You ask, we answer your drone questions. Whether you're here to turn your passion into profit or you simply fly for fun, we're a community of learners and teachers who aspire to achieve greatness. We are
Drone U.
Hey everyone, welcome to another fantastic episode of Ask Drone U. My name is Paul.
And my name is Rob. Thank you for joining us today. We really appreciate it. This is episode number 785. Hope you're having a great day. We're looking forward to hanging with you today.
Yeah, we are looking forward to hanging out with you today.
Always.
Yes. We also appreciate those reviews. At least I really genuinely appreciate the reviews that you leave on iTunes, Stitcher, or wherever you download podcasts. Also, a big special thanks to our friends at the Drone U community. We've got our conference coming up. If you haven't checked that out, go to droneuflyin.com. That's droneuflyin.com. But a big special thanks to our sponsor for today, Colorado Drone Chargers. If you need to charge a lot of batteries at one time, there is no other place to look other than coloradodronechargers.com. Use discount code DRONEU8 to save about 10% on your charger, because chances are, if you're like me and you fly a lot, you're going to need one. All right, Rob, let's hear that question.
Hi, Paul and Rob. This is Marianne from Alberta, Canada. I was hoping you might be able to expound on an episode. Rob, you suggested giving people what they wanted, and that makes total sense. And in this case, the realtors were wanting virtual tours. Paul, you said they were easy. Could you please walk us through the process and maybe let us know which apps you would recommend? Thanks, I'd appreciate it. Oh, and I love your new website. And being a new member, it has opened up a huge bunch of possibilities for me. So thanks very much for that. Congratulations on a job well done. As usual, keep up the good work. Take care.
Thank you, Marianne, all the way from Canada. We appreciate that you listen. We appreciate that you take the time to call in a question. And don't forget, guys, if you have a question, go to askdroneu.com. We'd love to hear from you. And I always want to remind folks that if you're thinking about something, so is somebody else, or a lot of other people are thinking about the same thing you are. So get that question in and have it answered for a lot of folks.
Definitely. I also appreciate that you like the new site, although there's a newer site coming up probably by the end of the month. So thank you very much for that. When it comes to virtual tours and real estate, there really is only one company to go with, because this company has really, they're like the DJI of the real estate tour industry. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Matterport. Now, Matterport, you have to use their proprietary camera, but what makes Matterport so powerful is that you get these 360-degree views of a home. It kind of maps the inside of a home, and the way that you move through the virtual tour, as a user, is very easy and convenient. Now, I will say that I believe that for most buyers, they're not looking at the virtual tours of a home until they're probably serious about buying that home. But that being said, we are actually going to be debuting a new product here at Drone U that I think could really help out with mapping and interior spaces and exterior spaces and putting it all together, which actually utilizes Matterport. So I think it's something that a lot of large-scale investors, realtors, and brokers will be utilizing in the future. But for right now, if you're focusing on real estate, you want to get into the interior tours, Matterport is the way to go. I will just say, guys, if you're still in real estate as a drone pilot, or you're just getting in to real estate as a drone pilot, don't see it as an end-all, be-all. It should just be a stepping stone for you to increase your business. It should just be that low-hanging fruit where you learn your systems, you learn how to scale your business, you learn how to master getting in and getting out while also getting the footage that you need. This is, real estate is a fixed subject. It's easy to film. It's not hard. Okay, the money is not tremendously good either. Now, that being said, it's your first stepping stone to get to the next step, to film subjects that are moving, to film things you can make more money on. But you have to also take what you've learned in real estate and systematizing that work, that flow, that system itself, taking that and taking it to the next step. And if you're in real estate and you're going to stay in real estate, you better offer packages where you're doing interior photos, drone video, and Matterport, because that's the only way you're going to stay in the drone industry when it comes to real estate.
So just to clarify, is Matterport the only way or just the best way?
I think it's the best way. I'm sure that there are other ways. We have a 360 camera that's much higher resolution than Matterport. It's just that the way that Matterport ties together its data and allows you to navigate through the virtual tour, I think is really the KPI in Matterport.
Got it. Okay. And so then the next big step is what you just referred to that we're working on, and that is bringing the exterior and the interior all into sort of one virtual environment, an interactive environment, right?
And I'm not really going to go into detail on that because I don't want anything to be stolen from us as it's still in development. But I think that it's going to make a big splash in the commercial real estate market, especially the resort market, and even the high-end luxury ranches.
Yeah.
So
no, very cool. Very cool.
Anyway.
All right. So yeah, I mean, you've got to learn how to use the Matterport camera, how to use their system, but apparently that's the best way to get this done, Marianne. So hopefully that helps you, and hopefully you can get that going and create another level of service to your real estate or your realtor clients that's going to make them want to work with nobody but you. We always say you want to get the potential clients of yours to the point where they feel like they would be a fool to work with somebody other than you. And if you get good at this, that could take you a long ways towards making that happen.
Yeah, definitely. I think that that rounds up this very short episode of Ask Drone U. I think I added some good information in there for people also to consider. If you have a question, go to askdroneu.com. Otherwise, thank you for listening. Please leave us a review. Please share so other people can hear this information. And that's going to do it for us today. My name is Paul.
I'm Rob.
This is Ask Drone U.